Good afternoon. Chapter Relation and Function, exercise 1.1, question number 3. So the question is, check whether the relation are defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as r equal to a comma b such that b equal to a plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So the relation form is b equal to a plus 1 and set elements are 1 to 6. So first make the relation R. What is the relation? So question number 3. Question number 3. So B relation R equal to, it is given R equal to a comma b such that b equal to a plus 1, b equal to a plus 1. So equal to, the elements are 1 to 6, it is given, and b equal to a plus 1. So take first a equal to 1. If you take a equal to 1, then 1 comma, so b equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. A equal to 1, so b equal to 2. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma, take b, a equal to 2, then b equal to 3. So 2 comma 3, then a equal to 3, a equal to 3, so b equal to 4, then a equal to 4, a equal to 4, b equal to 5, then a equal to 5, a equal to 5, b equal to 6, 5, 6. Say a set elements are 1 to 6. So if you take a equal to 6, then b equal to 7. But 7 is not present in the set, given set. Set is 1 to 6. So up to 6 only. So this is the relation. So this is the relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay. So first, see it is reflexive or not. So take one element, 1 belongs to R. 1 is an element belongs to the given set A. So 1 belongs to A set. 1 belongs to A, but 1 comma 1, this not belongs to R. See the relation 1 is not present. 1 2 2 3 3 like these are not present. Present is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So 1 comma 1 not belongs to R. This is not belongs to R. Okay. So 1 comma 1 not belongs to R. So R is not reflexive. Therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Okay, clear? Why R is not reflexive? Hello? All of you understand? Hello?
Yes.
R is not reflexive because 1, 1 is not present in the given relation. Relation is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay? Then it is symmetric or not. So take first element 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This belongs to R. It is present. 1, 2 is belongs to R. See, first one is 1, 2. The relation 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 not belongs to R. See, 2, 1 not there. So, but 2, 1 not belongs to R. 2, 1 is not belongs to R. So 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric. So R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Now third condition is it is transitive or not. So take one element 3, 4. 3, 4 is belongs to R. 3, 4. 3, 4. This belongs to R. And 4, 5 also belongs to R. 4, 4, 5. 4, 5 belongs to R. So 3, 4 belongs to R, 4, 5 belongs to R, but first and third element, that is 3, 5. So 3, 5 is not there, but 3, 5. 3, 5 is not belongs to R. 3, 5 not belongs to R. So third condition, that is transitive condition, is not satisfied. So R is not transitive. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So clear? This relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. So this is not equivalence relation. All of you understand this? Hello? Is it okay? Clear? Hello? It is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir.
Written this, write down.
Yes, sir.
Next we will do question number 5. 4 already done. So 5 number is check whether the relation R in R, that means real numbers, defined by r equal to a comma b such that a less than equal to b cube. So the relation is in general a less than equal to b cube. This is the condition. Is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So condition is a less than equal to b cube. If this condition is fulfilled, okay, or not. See, so first take one element from real numbers, take half, a equal to 1 by 2. This is number 5. Question number 5. So take one element 1 by 2 from real numbers. So let a equal to half. Let a equal to half. Then 1 comma 1, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. This belongs to R or not? 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. This belongs to R. Relation. It is satisfied. Say 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2 cube. It is possible. 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube means 1 by 8. So 1 compared to 1 by 2 and 1 by 8, 1 by 2 is greater number. So it is not possible 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 8. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, this is not belongs to R. This not belongs to R, because 1 by 2 condition is 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2 whole cube. Less than equal to 1 by 2 whole cube. This is not true. This is not true. This is not true. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 not belongs to R, because this condition is not satisfied. So R is not reflexive. So R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Okay, now it is symmetric or not. So let 1 by 2 belongs to R. 1 less than equal to 2 cube, it's okay. So let let 1 comma 2, this belongs to R, because 1 less than equal to 2 cube, it is true, because because 1 less than equal to 2 cube, it is okay. This is true. Is true. 1 less than equal to 8, because of condition a less than equal to b cube. Okay, but but 2 comma 1 not belongs to R, because 2 less than equal to 1 cube, it is not true. So 2 comma 1, this is not belongs to R. because 2 less than equal to 1 cube, 2 less than equal to 1 cube is not true, is not true, is not true. So 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric. So R is not symmetric. Clear? Up to this, reflexive and symmetric is okay. Hello? It is not reflexive, it is not symmetric. Now see, it is transitive or not. It is transitive or not. So take one element, it is belongs to R, like this one element take. So 9 comma 3 belongs to R because 9 less than equal to 3 cube. 27 is okay. So let 9 comma 3 belongs to R. 9 comma 3, this belongs to R because because 9 less than equal to 3 cube. Condition is A less than equal to B cube. So 9 less than equal to 3 cube is true. This is true. Is true. So 9 comma 3 belongs to R. And 3 comma 2, 3 less than equal to 2 cube, 3 less than equal to 8. Yes, we can take 3 less than equal to 8, it is true. So, and 3 comma 2, this also belongs to R. This also belongs to R because 3 less than equal to 2 cube, 3 less than equal to 2 cube is true because 2 cube is 8, is okay. So is true, is true. Now take C, first element that is 9 and last element that is 2. So 9 comma 2. 9 comma 2 belongs to or not. You see, then 9 comma 2, first and last, as per definition of transitive. So 9 comma 2 belongs to R or not? 9 less than equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So this is not true. So 9 comma 2 not belongs to R. 9 comma 2, this is not belongs to R because because 9 less than equal to 2 cube is not true. 9 less than equal to 2 cube is not true. That is 9 is not less than 2 cube. So this condition also not satisfied. So R is not transitive. So R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So R is not reflexive, R is not symmetric, and R is not transitive. That means R is not equivalence relation. Okay? All of you understand this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Write down this. Write down.
Yes,
Number
sir.
5. Written. Yes. Okay. Next you see question number 12. Question number 12 is show that the relation are defined in the set A of all triangles as R equal to T1 comma T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. That means first triangle T1 is similar triangle to T2. T1 and T2 are similar triangles. Okay, this is condition. Is equivalence relation. So we have to prove this. This relation is equivalence relation. And second part is consider three right angle triangles. T1 with sides 3, 4, 5, T2 with sides 5, 12, 13 and T3 with sides 6, 8, 10. So which triangles among T1, T2 and T3 are related? Okay. To first part. At first part. Number 12. So relation is R equal to T1 comma T2. T1 comma T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. Such that T1 is similar to T2. This is the relation. T1, T2 means any two triangles you can take. So, because it is given set A of all triangles. In the set A, and set A is all the triangles. So, first triangle is similar to second triangle. Okay. Now, we know that every triangle is similar to itself. Any triangle is similar to itself. So, we know that every triangle is similar to itself. That every triangle is similar to itself. Okay, similar to itself. That means T1, T2 belongs to R. T2, T2 belongs to R. T1, T1 belongs to R. T3, T3 belongs to R. That means A, A belongs to R. Okay. So these imply T1 comma T1 belongs to R. T1 comma T1 is belongs to R. T1 comma T1 belongs to R for all T1. For all T1 belongs to set A. It is given question. Okay. So we know from the definition of reflexive. So T1 comma T1 belongs to R. So this is reflexive. So R is reflexive. So R is reflexive. So R is reflexive. Now it is symmetric or not? It is symmetric or not? So it is given question T1 comma T2 no belongs to. So T1 and T2 are similar triangles. So now you take T1 comma T2 belongs to R. That is, this implies T1 is similar to T2. So if any two triangle T1 is similar to T2, then we can say T2 also similar to T1. That means it is symmetric. So T1 comma T2, now T1 comma T2, T1 comma T2 belongs to R for all T1 comma T2, both the triangle T1 comma T2, it belongs to A set. From A set we are taking any two triangles T1 and T2. So this belongs to R. So because imply this belongs to R because T1 is similar to T2. T1 is similar to T2. It is given question. Two triangles are similar. So if first triangle is similar to second one, then we can say second one also similar to first one. So this imply T2 is similar to T1. You can say. Now this means T2 comma T1, T2 comma T1, this belongs to R. This belongs to R. T2 comma T1, this belongs to R. So T1 comma T2 belongs to R. This implies T2 comma T1 belongs to R. So R is symmetric. Therefore R is symmetric. Therefore R is symmetric. Okay. Now it is transitive or not? It is transitive or not? Say. So take two elements T1 comma T2 belongs to R. T1 comma T2, this belongs to R, and T2 comma T3, T2 comma T3, T2 comma T3 also belongs to R. Any two triangle T1 T2, then T2 T3, all T1 T2 T3 belongs to A set. For all T1 comma T2 comma T3, this belongs to A set. we are taking three triangles T1, T2 and T3. So T1, T2 first two belongs to R, T2 and T3 belongs to R. Then this imply T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3. Now say T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3. That means all three are similar, T1, T2, T3. So we will get from this T1, that is first and third. T1 is similar to T3. T1 is similar to T3. This means T1, comma T3. This belongs to R. This belongs to R. So R is transitive relation. So R is transitive. So R is transitive. So R is reflexive, R is symmetric, R is transitive. That means we can say R is equivalence relation. All of you understand this? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Write down this. So R is transitive. So all three conditions are satisfied. So you can say
Yes, sir.
this relation R is equivalence relation. Thank you.